be doing a soft glam. I hope it is soft. Yeah, you're gonna be doing a simple and soft glam for just staying indoors, basically, because you're not going anywhere. We're just going to film and have fun with family and all that. So we are going to start off by cleansing the face, obviously. To um like open up the pores a little bit more and yep, you never know what kind of that you might find. See that? Yes. After that, we're going to moisturize our face using this moisturizer. I don't know whether it's clear. Yeah, it's enjoying its plant and water. I don't know whether I can see that, but yeah, that's what we're going to use. It's pretty small. Yeah, it smells nice. So guys, one important thing you need to know about makeup: whenever you're going to apply makeup, please moisturize. It doesn't matter whether you have a dry skin or a wet skin. Dry skin or normal skin, whichever, you have to moisturize. It's really important. It makes we're using Nivea OG Classic to prime, because we're not going anywhere. Why waste your good primer in a day like today? So for today we're going to be using the Wet and Wild Photo Focus foundation in cacao. Oh, oh my gosh, this focusing is giving me a hard time. Yep, in cacao. I hope that's clear. Yeah, so for my skin I have to mix both the this lighter shade plus a slightly darker shade, because I didn't really get the shade that I wanted. So yeah, we have to mix. For the darker shade I'm going with the Revlon Color Stay. Yep, it's right there. And yeah, I can't emphasize this enough, but you need to blend this stuff in as much as you can. See, and let's go for the eyebrows now. By the this is a Wet and Wild eye pencil. Yeah, so I haven't sharpened it, so yeah. concealer. Yep, they, I think most of the things are Wet n Wild, so yep, that's that's what they're aiming for. Let's see what happens with this glum. So my what my concealer on my on my eyelid. Problems. I actually have long lashes from God, and we're going to be using the Jaclyn Hill palette. I don't know, yeah, everything is like upside down, whatever. Jaclyn Hill palette with Morphe, obviously, and yeah, let's see. This is how my palette looks like, and yeah, it has all interesting colors. I think I'm just going to go with the neutrals in this area here for today. Yeah. I think I'm gonna now on here. It's already because it's invisible. Yeah. So for our second color, we're gonna go with this shade. Is it? Yeah, this one right here. Yeah. Like my eyes are popping. Wow. Yo, we're popping. We're gonna need some more of the concealer. And I think I'm gonna go with this. No, this shimmer. Yeah, I don't know whether you can see that, but that is what I'm going for, because glitter is just, it's just nice. Yeah, I know we say it's soft, but glitter is soft glam to me, like. We say it's soft. Yeah, we say it's soft, and this feels almost too much, but whatever. Nice. Let's just do a mascara and we crown this look up, like for real. get them up there. So yeah, I think we're good. I think we're good. Mm-hmm. Oh, I'm not going to contour. I'm not going to do any of that other stuff. So let's just finish up this whole look already. Yeah, I know some of you will ask that, oh my god, you haven't concealed. You haven't concealed. Yeah, I know I haven't. And it was done on purpose because I have nothing to conceal, honey. I've been getting enough sleep. I've been getting enough everything. Yeah. Anyway, the whole point is that if you really have nothing to conceal, there is no point in applying concealer, because concealer is to conceal what you really don't want popping, like coming out. And for this time, we're doing an almost natural look, so really I have nothing to conceal. So we are gonna finish off our look with the Velvet um Rogue Edition. Yeah, these lipsticks are fire, and they're good for like a really soft glam when you don't want too much going on, but when you want to like feel good and look good. Yeah, that type of vibe. They I'm gonna do like a swatch video for like the Rogue Edition, the one that I got, and I'll be sharing it with you guys so that you can see how these lipsticks actually look like when you apply them on your lips. They're not all that thick. This version is not that thick. um they just feel velvety and good, soft, kind of, not all matte, but they're okay. They just feel like great. This is shade 24, if you can see. Yep, it's shade 24, and yeah, I guess this is a final look without the hair. Without the hair, I guess this is our final look, and this is what we're going to wear for today. And I just want to thank you guys for watching, and stay tuned for the swatch of this Rogue Edition. And yeah, subscribe, make sure you subscribe, comment, like, and tell me of some of the things that you actually want.